Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're diving into the next gen of decentralized trading with IntentX. So I've been thinking about making this video for a long time, but then I haven't been, using perps, and I was like, I need to learn more about this before I make a video. So I think I was like planning to make the video from the day one that there was a deep dive. So that was probably 2 months ago, 3 months ago, and yeah. So if you're into perpetual futures, cutting edge DeFi tech, or like looking for deep liquidity and low fees, this is for you. So yeah, IntentX is a next gen OTC derivatives exchange. So with over 290 perpetual pairs and deep liquidity. So it is revolutionizing on-chain trading by introducing an intent-based architecture. So forget traditional order books or like VAMMs. IntentX allows like traders like us to express our intent to trade, which external solvers then execute. So let's break it down. So what makes IntentX stand out? So we have an option for first point is an option for 60x leverage. So we can maximize exposure on perpetual futures trading. Then there is cross margin accounts. We can optimize capital by combining balances. Trade to earn incentives. Yes, that is one of my favorite ones. So every time you trade, you also earn in X intent INXINTX rewards by just trading. And it is self custody, no KYC. So it's since again, this is very important for me as well, because I think like initially when I started trading, I was like using Bybit. So again, like I told you in earlier videos, I am a noob at trading, but I've been learning, upskilling myself and like, looking in more into this. So again, since it's permissionless, non-custodial trading, like we control our assets. That's it's very important for me, and like it's a huge change from Bybit. To be honest, see, I'm not throwing shade on Bybit, but I just like permissionless, no KYC, self custody stuff because yeah, I don't want people to like I don't want everything. What's to say? Like every one of my trading, I'm fine with on chain record, but not on like CEX, which reports to financial stuff. I mean, you get what I mean. Again, this is not financial advice. Do do your own research, NFA. So I just have to put it out there. So why IntentX? So one of the things that I could think of, it's omni-chain with competitive fees, deep liquidity that is derived from, I think it was Binance's order book. Order book. I mean, I could be wrong. Like I think last time I talked, it was Binance's liquidity and yeah. How do I put it? Like yeah, again, I'm still learning. So like yeah, again. So I hope you understand what I meant. And like unmatched capital efficiency. So liquidity is sourced from CX, like so, like I told you, yeah, it's sourced from basically like Binance, and it gives you a CX level execution while keeping everything decentralized and trustless. So the thing is, highlight is that like again I told you CX like liquidity but with DEX security, and which is a huge W for me. I think like last time we talked, they said there was a 5 second delay for updations, but they're working towards fixing it and making it like like no delay, and that'll be awesome. So okay, before I wrap up the video, I just want to give you a brief overview into the platform. So I've been making profitable trades. I mean, this is just me longing like ETH, and I feel like it's gonna climb back up for sure. I mean, I feel like yeah, it's gonna bounce back up. um I feel like the last of the bears are dying off, and the prices are a little bit more I mean, it's better than yesterday from what I can see. So I'm gonna go long positions. I did short a few positions, so I'll just show you my PNL and stuff later on. Give me a second. So yeah, so this is basically the trading part. Choose what pair you like. Again, it's up to you. And I feel like since like I think 2 days back everything was red, and now it looks like a little bit more promising. Things are better. But yeah, you never know. Let me check what's up with BTC, USDT. I feel like the charts today are like very promising compared to what's been happening for the past few days. So it's pretty promising. I feel like it's only up. Again, you can see my PNL live. I'm gonna hold that position for some time. Because I'm going all in. You can see my leverage is at 60x, and the position is The value of the position is 5.42k. And so yeah, there you go. And by the way, one thing I've noticed is that uh, your trades don't show up on Rabby. I don't know if you can see my Rabby, but yeah. So let's go into my account page. As you can see, my balance is at $94. The USD deposits are here, deposit and withdraw history. And I love this. It's instant. It shows you all, like, what's happening with your portfolio. And you can see my trades here, total of 3 longs, 4 shorts, total 7 trades. And the volume in long was 3,177, and I shorted for 14k, and total 18k, 100 18,100 USD. And I've won all of my trades pretty good. And average winning rate is 71 percentage. Average PNL is 1.83, and in total PNL, as you can see, 12.82, and which is pretty good. I mean, I'm doing it. I'm taking it slow and steady. Slow and steady wins the race. So as you can see, I've did. You can see my trade logs here. I've did long on ETH. I did long on Popcat. I did short Popcat at 1.2. Um, Hamster shorted the fuck out of it. I think Popcat, like, if when the trades open, I just shorted. And I mean, yeah, again, I'm not an expert with analyzing the charts, but I have an idea, and I know how to make it like work. Again, I think Reef, I don't know why the trade it's showing as 0. I think it was like 0 point like 0. I was just logging it. I did short Sui. I knew Sui is gonna bounce back up, but I did short it for a while, and it was a profitable trade. Again, you can see like how profitable my PNL was. Like, so I mean, that's what I love about this platform. Fucking amazing platform. I love this. And another thing is, yeah, I'll get to the amazing part. The trading is done via USDE, and those of you know, if you don't know, I'll get to it. So incentives part. So every time you trade on IntentX, you earn IntentX XINTX, and that is bonus rewards. And this is the part that I was talking about, Athena sats. Since you're trading in USDE, you earn 20x sats by depositing USD and trading on IntentX, which again is a huge W for me because I'm farming ENA, and for season 3 I'm expecting a good drop. Personally, I haven't farmed season 2, but season 3 I've been farming it actively, and I have a good amount of points, and it's looking good. So yeah. Then again, let's get to the this is something that is good for me, the incentives part, because I have traded on Bybit. I think I still have an open position on Bybit, but I don't get any incentives out of it, and I still lose out. I mean, in terms of interest. But here I'm basically trading to win here. So I mean, up to you. Then there is up to 100% fee rebate in IntX. Trade to earn, to rank up, you get fee rebates. Then there is Mantle Blitz. Again, you can trade to get on the leaderboard and win amazing rewards. As you can see here, the higher your wins, higher your win loss ratio, you get MNT in rewards. As you can see, this guy has 1.17k MNT in rewards. That's fucking crazy, to be honest. I haven't checked I know I am on track. Start trading to get on the leaderboard. Okay, yeah. I think once I am, I think Mantle Blitz is over. Is it over? Yeah, it's over. This epoch is over. So epoch flip is in 12 hours. So yeah, get started. And then I've again talked about fee rebates. I mean, fee rebates are really amazing. Again, I don't feel like there is a huge amount of fees in IntentX. It's really pretty good, and I'm loving it. Again, you can see my PNL. It's in green. I feel like it's we're getting started on October finally. I mean, October started with a Fucktober. So yeah. So then they also have spot trading, pretty amazing. But I think it's only on base. Oh yeah, I didn't check out spot trading because I do most of my swaps on. Again, IntentX is not meant to be a swap platform, not a DEX platform, uh, but rather a perps platform. So again, you can switch to base, and do a swap if you want to. That's up to you. Uh, you can do spot, limit, and swap. I mean, whatever you want to do with that. I don't do that. So yeah. Then there's like market tools. So you have tools here such as heat map. Heat map is pretty good. I love heat maps. I mean, heat maps is like pretty helpful to, for me to make an understanding on how a particular coin is performing, and like what I should long. So as you can see here, Tia has been consistently outperforming. Oh damn! Look at this. Let me just look at the charts, by the way. Tia. See, this is the benefit of a heat map. I love heat maps. So let me just see what's up with this. I mean, there has been a downward trend, but then it is going back up. I feel like it keeps bouncing back up. I think they have a good support at like, what is it? The max dip was like recently what? I think they have good support at like maybe 4.5, 4.5. Yeah. Again, like I feel like pretty amazing platform. I used to use Banter Bubble for heat maps, but I love this heat map better. You know why? Because I mean, this is better like understanding for me personally. I'm not saying like, I mean, it's up to you. Okay, it depends on person to person, but I love this heat map better because I mean, I get a rough understanding of what happens daily rather than just like few bubbles and like what's happening today. Again, yeah, the Banter Bubbles has more functionalities. Again, but it's a different platform. This is a different platform. Again, Mantle Traders. Check out IntentX. I mean, it's pretty fucking amazing. And then there's the funding overview. Well, all funding rates displayed in APR. There you go. They have a screener, market updates and analysis. Let me see what's up with. I mean, I have been fading Tia. I don't know what's up with Tia, man. I haven't even checked out what Tia is, to be honest, because I'm not familiar with Tia. I need to probably check out Tia. And oh yeah, mini. But the thing is, a lot of people are shorting it out, but I don't know why. Bid, ask, but I feel like everything is slowly bouncing back up. Can we hit 62K this like within maybe 20 maybe like within tomorrow? I think I feel like I don't know, man, what's happening, but it it's been steady for like for past few hours. I hope it reaches 62K because I have 50x leverage position on Bybit for BTC. I should have done it on IntentX, to be honest. I mean, I was learning about IntentX and like if I knew like I could do like 60x, I would have done it. By the way, the minimum deposit amount for I think for ETH it's $21, but for BTC it's 200. Sorry, I'm in base. Let me just switch back to Mantle. Okay, I think the minimum is 122 for BTC USDT. It depends. I mean, yeah, it was low. Oh yeah, this is good. BTC USDT is minimum collateral is 122, so keep that in mind. Ooh, the PNL is looking good. Let's fucking go, man. I feel like it's bouncing back up. See, as soon as Bitcoin performs good, the altcoins start pumping. So even though I'm an L2 maxi, I do follow Bitcoin. I mean, you know why? But I don't trade in Bitcoin. I mean, I do trade Bitcoin, but I don't. What do I say? Like engage in on-chain activities because I mean, I feel like see ETH and its L2s have a better on-chain experience than Bitcoin. To be honest, right? That's my personal opinion. By the way, if I'm stretching this video out, yeah, sorry for that. Supposed to be like a short video on how things go and stuff. So I'll get to it. Give me a second. So the last part. Let's get the market tools. We're done. Then there's the referrals part. So I'll put my referral link in the description. By the way, Doji asked for a referral link, and I'm like, okay, oh man, use mine. I mean, I haven't been using it. I won't get some referrals, and I was like, okay, I didn't think I would get like like a substantial amount of reward, but yeah, within one day I have 0.25 INTX. And it's got like INTX value is going up as well. So referral volume, you can see my referees volume is 520.90. Doji has been consistently winning. Like he's been posting like amazing screenshots. Ooh, look at this. Should I like close out my position? I might close out my position. Give me a second. I'm not a greedy person, so I'm happy with instant close. Okay, I'm gonna close it out. I'm see, one of the highest factors that what's it called, breaks a lot of traders is greed. Greed is who? No. So okay, yeah. Let's go back. I'm gonna open a long position now on ETH, but without my profits. So I'll go 90 uh 60x leverage. Again, this is not financial advice. Don't do 60x leverage. It is a risky game. But I think my opening position is it's a risky open position, but it is what it is. I'm gonna do it. I want to live, give you a live demo so you guys can see it as well. As you can see, permissionless, sign it. There's no balance change on chain. There you go. Acknowledge. Probably will be pending. Yeah, pending. Let's see. Okay, so always do this. I mean, this is not like, again, not financial advice, but greed is one of the factors that makes or breaks a person. So I feel like don't be greedy. As soon as you see profit of like at least $2, $3, close it out, keep that, reinvest, keep it out, reinvest. I mean, slow and steady that's my thing. But again, it's up to you. If you want to win big, take a risk, up to you. But it's best. Why did my position open? Oh, no, it's open. It might be like taking a minute to update. Okay, yeah, cool. It might be updating. So yeah, wait. Then there's the staking page. So last one, you have option to stake, which I have done. I just tried it out. I mean, I didn't do a huge amount, but I'll probably add more. And once I claim it out, then there's the claim page. Again, you'll have available claims here. I don't have anything to claim at the moment. Then there's the analytics page. So as you can see, IntentX trading stats. Sorry. You can see the trade volume is 10.07 billion. Damn. Total fees 1.1 million. Open interest 2.35 million. Deposits 25.88 million. Unique users 22,664. I mean, see again, good stats. I feel like IntentX is like doing amazing stuff with their I personally love the UI. It's pretty easy for me to understand, not complex, nothing. See, again, not through shade out Bybit, but I get confused in any CX. So Bybit is only the CX I use because Bybit is mantle friendly. So I use Bybit. But again, CEX is a lot like confusing for me personally. Okay, again, this is confusing for me. This is a personal viewpoint. No, I'm not saying all CEXs are shit. And not saying CX are bad. I mean, there are people who love to use CXs only. But for me personally, CXs get confusing. As in compared to like, see, again, Bybit is not just a trading platform. There's more to it than just trading. There is a lot of features ongoing. But IntentX is a trading oriented platform. It is just for perps. So they are really good with it. And they're deriving their liquidity from Binance, really deep liquidity. And why does my position not show up? Let me just try give it a refresh. There we go. Okay, let me just connect my wallet. There we go. I feel like it's going to bounce back up. I'm going to hold the position for like maybe 48 hours. Bro, this is crazy. It's crazy. The profits are crazy. I mean, I feel like, see, again, not financial advice, by the way, guys. But long in ETH, I'm very bullish, man. I'm very bullish on ETH, Mantle. I'm super bullish. Should I close out this one? No, I might get liquidated. Wait. No. 3. I'm just gonna close instant close. Let's do it. I see, yeah, that's what I'm saying. $3, keep it. I'm happy, man. I don't want huge amounts of money, right? I'm doing it slow and steady. I don't want to take a risk because I know I took a risk with my Bitcoin long and I'm kind of like fucked over at the moment, but the market is bouncing back. So I'm pretty happy at this stage. By the way, those of you watching, you can see on, that's me actually. You can see me talking. I'm an actual cat, by the way. Those of you don't know. That's me yapping. Bop, 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 bop. Okay, yeah. I don't know if you can hear that. So yeah, I close out the position. Let me just do. Should I open up one more position? Should I do? Let's do 95. Wait. Let me see. What's the opening? Do I get a lower opening? Yeah. Wait. Let's. Should I do limit? I don't know, man. I might do market. Market is fine for me, to be honest. 2385. I feel like it'll bounce back. So let's do a 95. I'm leveraging it out to 60. Again, 60 is a very risky leverage. It's again, see, because like high leverage, like you can see here, high leverage increases the maintenance margin, which results in faster liquidation. If you want to play it safe, I would say go for 5, 10. I mean, 5 is safer. You won't get liquidity and you won't need to add much of a margin. But I like to play it risky, but not too risky, as in I won't be greedy with my profits. Right. So let's go for 60x leverage, long ETH again. So I'm doing this live on stream for you guys, so you guys can see again. Oh, by the way, I forgot to show you the stats. Try again. Let's do 60x max. Let's do max. Okay, yeah. As you can see here, platform fee is 0.01 of the notional trade, so it's 1.17 USDE. Then maintenance margin, as you can see here, that is 58.95. Estimated liquidation price, as you can see, that position value is 5.9k USD. So yeah, I'm gonna long ETH. There we go. See again, I feel like ETH is gonna bounce back and it's gonna go crazy upwards. Like I feel like the upward trend is coming. But do your own research. Again, like as you can see, it's derived, like the liquidity is derived from Binance. And again, yeah, on the chart side of things, I forgot to tell this. You can do whatever you want with the chart. This is perfect for me. You can hide the charts if you want to. Why do you want to hide the chart? I don't know. But yeah, you can do a lot of stuff here. Precision, this decimal. Like if you want to set out the decimal, you can set the time zones. I'm gonna go with UTC because I follow UTC. Because I work according to UTC time. So then there's the status lines, scale, canvas, anything. I mean, basically do what you will with that. I feel like ETH is gonna bounce back up again. My PNL is at 3.4 at the moment, but I feel like it'll go back up. And I might be able to close it at be mindful of the 1 USD fee. I mean, not 1 USD, 0.1% fee. Because when you close out the position, make sure to account for that. I'm not sure if it is accounted for in the beginning or while I forgot to check that, by the way. So yeah, this is most about IntentX. Again, my most favorite part is the incentives part. That is, I get EtherSats points, which I am already farming. I get trading rewards. This is just trading rewards from today, actually, by the way. So let me just check. I'm going to go on Mojo. I want to check how much is IntentX going for. Trade. Okay. I'm IntentX. Let's do 22. See, there you go. That's $3 in rewards. It's pretty good. Actually, just today. That's just... See, I'm basically getting IntentX rewards as well as my profits. So I feel like pretty amazing. A little bit getting fucked over there, but I feel like it's safe. I'm gonna. This is a safe bet because ETH is not volatile. Like I've placed a shot on Popcat, and damn, that's volatile. There you go. Look at this. Look at this. Compared to this is like a really fucking volatile. Again, yeah, it's a meme coin, so do what you will with that. And thank you again for watching the video. You guys have a good one. I've been loving the platform, so I have so much to talk about it. So you guys check it out. And yeah, thank you again, Doji, for using my referral code. I will put my referral link in the description for you guys to check it out too. So I would appreciate it if you use my referral link. because it helps me as well. You know, in terms of like, maybe I get some rewards, helps me like, like better the quality of my production of the video as well. So yeah, thank you guys. Bye.